guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, well actually in the last video, go check that one out. I did a tour of this whole room and this is such a nice room. And this is not VIP, this is the cheapest room we could get. And I'm in the bathtub. And so in today's video, we're gonna be checking out what's in all these little kits, like the dental kit and the shaving kit and all these other kits. So let's check out what's in the dental kit. So, oh, by the way, I'm at the Chinois Marriott Resorts. This resort is so much fun. It's so pretty. Is that it? Okay, so all you get in these are like a very small thing of toothpaste and a clear toothbrush. So I'm gonna keep this because for when I have sleepovers, most of the time, well, some of the time, my friends forget their toothbrush or their toothbrush at home. So I have a ton of toothbrushes that are unused and I will label them. So I'm gonna see if that's the same color and everything. Yeah, same. And the second dental kit. And let's check out the shaving kit. What do you think? Okay, so you got moisturizing gel and a razor. I don't shave yet, so I don't know how to use this, but maybe my parents will. I don't know. Anyways, now let's check out the comb. It's a basic clear comb. Let's unwrap it. The only reason why I didn't get out the shaver and the toothbrush is because it could be used by other people or my other friends, and I can keep that at my house with their name on it, and so they don't have to bring a toothbrush. We have a comb. Ow! My hair's naughty. But yeah, it's very cute. So far, I rate this room a 10 out of 10. Let's see, the shower cap. They come in such cute boxes. I think I'll keep these. So it looks like a string. That's literally what this shower cap looks like. So I don't know if I'll be using that, but very cute. This is a sanitary bag. Now I don't know what the heck a sanitary bag is. What am I supposed to do with the Ziploc bag? I mean, it's very thoughtful. I don't know what you use it for, but I don't know what to do with it, so. Oh, I also got a free plushie from this place. I don't know where it is right now, but I'll make it a YouTube short about it. And then we have a package of hairbands. Let's see inside these hairbands. Just 2 hairbands. Hopefully they're not used. Definitely take them home because I do need some more hairbands. Yeah. So what the heck is an emery board? Someone tell me, please. All right, let's open it up. So it is. What is this? Tell me. It's a nail file. It's literally a nail file. Okay. And lastly, the vanity kits. Let's see what's in the vanity kits. So a few gauze and 3 little Q-tips. 1 for each person in my family. Nice going on the trip. So yeah, that's literally all the emenity kits in here. So I know this was a short video, but I have nothing else to post right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Click the like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you are notified when I post a video. I love y'all. Have a great day, night, or evening. Bye.